So this is my dog Danner, and if you guys have ever been here and needed to work your dogs around other dogs, this is who we use. Super neutral, nice dog. So today my plan on day 4 is to work on um, Scotty being around another dog. The plan is to take her out and about tomorrow. Um, so I want to work her around another dog. I know she's going to be super excited. Her impulse control is going to definitely decrease, but we'll work through it. That's the whole point of training, right? So we're going to work around Danner today. We might try some greeting with other humans today. We might not get to that. We'll see. But I want to put Danner in a couple different positions throughout our sessions today so Scotty can work around him and remain more or less focused and on task. So let's see how it goes. No. So we'll see if we can get her a little more focused. Obviously, she's super distracted by Danner just as she first walked in. Good. There you go. Good job. We'll try to do some more calming skills right now. Down. Good. Good. Down. Good. No. Down. Good. Nope. Down. Good. Nope. Down. Good. 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 Very nice. Good. No. Down. No. No. Down. Good. Nope. Down. Down. Good. Nope. Down. Good. Nope. Down. Good. Down. Good. Nope. Down. Good. No. Down. Good. That's a good choice. Good. Down. Good. Good. So my goal right now, good, is just to get her using her brain, good, and not this big emotional response. Good. Good. That's nice. Good. Good. I'm waiting for her. Nope. Down. Good. I'm waiting for her to, good. Look at me. Down. Good. So she can break away. Good. From that distraction. And again, I'm supporting her a lot right here. I'm helping her. Nope. Down. Good. No. Down. Down. Nope. Use a little negative reinforcement here since we layered that in yesterday. Down. Good. Good. Nope. 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 Down. Down. Good. Nope. Down. Good. Good. And then I'm going to also experiment, yes, with being a little more dynamic with her to see if that's helpful. Different dogs react a little differently. She's not being reactive. She's just excited. Scotty. 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 Yes. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. There you go. So let's see if we can get her back engaged with me. Scotty. Nope. Scotty. Scotty. Yes. There you go. Scotty. Yes. So I feel like right now the movement for her walking around is way too much. So we're going to stay with calmer. Good girl. Options here. Place. Good. Nope, 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 nope. Scotty. Good. Yes. Good. There you go. Scotty. Yes. There you go. Very nice. Scotty. Scotty. Good. Place. Good. Very nice. Good. Good. So by doing place right now, good. I can give her the options of some movement. Good. And when she reverts back, good, to engagement with me, good, I'll pay it. Again, I don't want to punish her being interested in dogs. That's not the point. Good. The point is to make myself more valuable than good, than the other dog, human, distraction, whatever it is. Yes. Super, mama. Good job. Place. Good. Beautiful. Very nice. Good. Good. Super. Yes. So we'll just stay here for a little bit. Place. Yes. That's it. Good girl. Place. Good. I have no doubt that if I was not retaining my leash, good, she would run over there to greet the other dog. Good. Good. Yes. Take that. Good job. Place. Good. Nope. Free. Place. Good. That was better. Very nice. Yes. So now this next challenge. Place. Good. Nope. Nope. Good. That's it. Yeah, we're going to give just a little bit of punishment there. Good. I'm not punishing her wanting to go to the dog. My intention is to punish her, good, for leaving the cot. So just a little feedback on the leash. Yes. Very nice. Place. Good. Nope. Free. I'm going to hold her accountable on this. Place. Good. Beautiful. What a good girl. Super. Nice little jackpot there. Very good. That was hard. Yes. Super mama. Good job. Place. Good. Beautiful. Nice choice. Good. Very nice. Good. Super. Good. Good. Yes. Super. Place. Good. Very nice. Super. What a good girl. So for me, this is a beautiful session. We're going to make it super short. Good. She did awesome. Like just this transformation. Good. Between first walking in the room and being overcome with emotion. Good. To being able to now work through it, hear what I say clearly, and respond behaviorally to that is amazing. Yes? Super. Let's try one more thing. Place. Yes. Super. Place. Yes. Super. Place. Good. Place. Good. Very nice. Good. I let her work that problem out. It was actually just she was cycling just a little bit from her terminal markers. Good. Very happy with that. Very nice session, mama. Super duper. Good job. Yes, that's it. Good job. Let's go put you up, give you a brain break. Good girl, you're free. All right, so session 2, we definitely walked in more calmly, which is awesome. Nice shake off, mama. Place. Good. Very nice. Very nice retention from that last session. Good girl. Nope. Place. Good. Good. There you go. Very nice. Nope. Good. Good choice. Very nice. Nope. Nope. Good. I really like, in this context, when I tell her no, she thinks about what she was supposed to do. Good. And she does that thing. That's ideal. And I'll pay that. Good. Very nice. Yes? Super. Scotty. Scotty. So still a little overexcitement, right? But I moved closer. Good girl. That's a nice choice. Yes. Place. Place. No. Nope. 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 Good. Super. Yes. Place. Good. Very nice. So we're a little bit closer. We're moving. Nope. Good. We're moving in a different direction relative to the other dog. Good. Good. Yes. Place. So see how she wasn't engaged with me when I asked her to do something? She really didn't hear me. You're free. Place. Good. Very nice. So that's the big reason we want our dogs to be engaged with us. Good. Because if not, then they have what we call husband and wife ears. Maybe we can call them kid ears. They're not looking at us. They're not paying attention. They're not hearing us. Good. So again, we really have to make ourselves good, more valuable than anything in the environment. In this circumstance, it's another dog. So she's pretty infatuated with him, so I'm going to stay over on this side. Nope. Scotty. Yes. Super. Nope. Scotty. 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 No. Come here, Mama. So we're going to work through this a little bit more of excitement. Nope. Scotty. Yes. Good job. So a good point I want to bring up here is that when we're telling our dogs no, no then what? Dogs don't think in the negative. So if I'm just telling my dog no, they might not quite understand what I'm asking of them. Good girl. That's it. Place. Yes. Scotty. Yes. Super. Place. Yes. Very nice. Good job. All right, we're going to challenge her just a little bit more. Again, something less dynamic, but still challenging. And I can work my way a little bit closer to the other dog. Scotty. Scotty. Yes. Very nice. Super. Scotty. Yes. That's it. Good job. Sit. Yes. Very nice. Good girl. Sit. Yes. Super. Very nice. Down. Good. Good. Nope. 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 Down. Good. Good. So we're still building our duration marker in down. Good. From yesterday. Good. So I do expect some mistakes with the distraction, especially. Good. Yes. Very nice. Good job, Mama. And I'm still going to hold her super accountable to those markers. Scotty. Scotty. Good girl. That's nice. Sit. Good. And so if you're wondering, good. If she does not respond to her name, I'm giving her just a little negative reinforcement. Good. I'm just kind of tapping her on the rear end with my finger like, hey, I'm talking to you. Little excitement building, seeing the tail wag. Good. Very nice, mama. Nope, 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 nope. Sit. Little negative reinforcement there. Good. Good. Yes. Super. Very nice, mama. Sit. Good. So this will be even more challenging. She's facing. Good. I'm going to catch that engagement. I know this is hard. Good. Very nice. Super. Good. And I should see that behavior and engagement start to increase a little bit. Good. It also could cause her to think about, good, being more impulsive. Good. Some dogs, it would certainly do that. Good. And I would not sit them facing, good, another dog in these first couple sessions. Yes. But she's got a really nice brain on her, so we can do that. Good. Super, mama. Good. There you go. Good. Again, I don't expect her to not acknowledge there's a dog there. Good. I expect her to make the choice of re-engaging. Good. She's a young dog. This is only day 4. Scotty. 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 Yes. There you go. Good job. Good job. There you go. Super. So you can see, sit. Yes. You can see where her threshold is. Good. Scotty. 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 Yeah. Nope, 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 nope. Scotty. Yes. Good job. So about the middle panel of my roller door, good, is where her threshold is, where it's too much for her. Good. There you go. Good. So again, sit. Good. If you train with me, we talk a lot about thresholds. And so what that means is, good, it's kind of the line in the sand. If I get past the middle section of that roller door, good, her value to me, good, goes down, and her value to the other dog goes up. Good. This could be a threshold for fear, excitement, aggression. Yes. For her, it's excitement. So I'm going to stay outside of that threshold. Scotty. Yes. Very nice. And we'll start to build on that. Scotty. Scotty. Yes. Very nice. Good girl. Super duper. We'll build on getting a little bit closer to other dogs. Sit. Yes. But for right now, we need to stay outside. Nice shake off. Come here. Where that threshold is. So again, she just gets used to working. Sit. Good. Around other dogs. And if we saturate her with too much excitement, it's not going to happen. Down. Good. Nice. Good. Nope. Down. Good. 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 Yes. Very nice. Down. Good. Good. Nope. Good. Good. Super. Nope. Good. Good. Yes. Very nice, mama. Scotty. Yes. Super. So I'm going to dip into my threshold here. Good. I'm going to support her with just a little bit of luring. Scotty. Scotty. Yes. Super. Very nice. Good. So again, we'll dip in. Good. Good. Nice disengagement. Super. Sit. Good. So that was a beautiful second session for today. Good. I'm not sure if I'll use Danner again today or we're just going to build some other skills. Good. Regardless, we'll be revisiting with other dogs and probably Danner tomorrow. Good. Good. Yes. Very nice. Good job. Nice calm petting. Good. Good. You're free. Good girl, Mama.